Choosing the right roof is one of the most important decisions you can make. With your roof making up to 30% of your home's facade, first impressions definitely count and can add value to your home. Monier understands how important this is. Their commitment to ongoing research and innovation ensures Australians have long-lasting, great-looking roofs. And their latest innovation, C-LOC, delivers just that. It preserves the beauty of your home for longer. Exclusively developed by Monier's innovation team, Colour Lock Technology is a first-of-its-kind roof coating. It's specially formulated to provide additional UV protection from the harsh Australian sun. C-LOC coating maintains its gloss for longer, which means that the colour is protected, reducing the change in appearance over time. Better gloss retention ensures your roof looks better for longer. C-LOC has been independently tested with 2,000 hours of accelerated weathering to see how roof products stack up. The results speak for themselves. 8 times better gloss retention than COLORBOND Steel and 6 times better gloss retention than concrete tiles with solvent-based coating, which means overall better protection for your home against Australia's harsh weather conditions. With a 50-year performance guarantee, Monier's concrete tile range gets stronger with age and will not rust or corrode. So you can feel safe knowing it protects the people you love and ensures your home looks better for longer. For more information on C-LOC, head to monier.com.au or call our experts on 1800 666 437.